where the mountain is going to be in this area here, I have a framework that's made out of this piece 1x2 and the base, and there's dowels that go between it. Now there's a groove right here that I use the router for, and what will happen is the sheets, let me just use this one as an example, is I'll have the sheet of plywood like this stuck in here. This will be screwed in, and then I can mark it and cut it along that edge, and it'll go all the way across. This is the bridge that's in here. I don't know if you can see that. It's just hanging in there now, so there'll be something working on that. But I have all of this track is laid really well now. Yeah, you can't see the bridge. You can see here's the yard in the back. It has, again, this is all just track that was left over from the 1935 layout that I bought years ago. So this will all be filled with cars. And I've been working on the seams. This is a seam where there's a board in here. There's another seam here. So that's been glued and matched with some of the ballast that I had on hand.